Let's break down Consumer Cellular and AT&T to help you decide which is best for you. Consumer Cellular operates as an MVNO, primarily using AT&T's network, meaning it leases coverage rather than owning it. AT&T is a major carrier with its own extensive infrastructure. Both offer similar coverage, around 99% LTE and 85% 5G in overlapping areas. Consumer Cellular's strength lies in affordability, with plans starting around $20 per month. AT&T offers premium services with unlimited plans, typically starting at $65 per month. AT&T also invests heavily in 5G and offers perks like HBO Max access, while Consumer Cellular focuses on simple perks like senior discounts. Coverage is comparable between Consumer Cellular and AT&T, but AT&T's network is more robust in urban areas. AT&T's average 5G download speeds range from 150 to 300 Mbps, while Consumer Cellular offers 100 to 200 Mbps. For price, Consumer Cellular wins for budget-conscious users. A senior could save around $200 a year with Consumer Cellular's cheaper plans. However, families needing lots of data and perks might prefer AT&T's unlimited plans and extras like streaming services. Consider your data usage and desired perks to choose the best fit.